Welcome back to Idle Time Barbecue. Today we're going to be making Smashburgers on the Weber Crafted Kettle. I basically took 3 pounds of meat and just balled it up into balls. These might be a little big, but everyone loves them. Everyone loves them that size. So we're going to be doing some with onions, some with mustard, some with cheese, and our primary seasoning is going to be Kinder's The Blend. And we're going to put a little bit of Kinder's caramelized onion butter on it as a little extra kick of flavor. So let's get over to the grill and start cooking. Okay, we're getting ready to make some Smashburgers. As you can see, we made one batch. People were super hungry. So for this batch, we're going to put down a little oil. And all the burgers are onion burgers. So we're going to put down kind of 4 clumps of onions. So we're going to let those onions cook for a little bit. So our onions look pretty good. They're starting to get soft, which is the way that they're supposed to. So now we're going to take 4 balls, burger balls, plop them right on top. And put dabs of mustard on them. And then we smash them. And we're smashing them to get to be about 1/4 inch or less. Now I usually let the heavy burger smasher sit on them for a bit. That's the reason I like the cast iron one, because it's pretty heavy and it does a good job smashing the burgers. Okay, they've all been smashed, and now we're just going to wait for them to cook. And you can already start to see on these ones here that some of the juices are starting to come through. But since they're all being cooked on onion, probably let them go a little bit longer. You can see these are showing the juices quite nicely, so they are ready to be flipped. So we're gonna go and flip them. And the main thing we want to do when we flip them is get under it and get it over so that we can kind of keep everything together. And we want to try and get as many of the onions as we can on top, because all these are going to have cheese. Because the cheese will seal in any of the onions that may have escaped. Okay, so let's get some cheese on them. And then we'll just wait for that cheese to melt and those to finish cooking. Okay, well I think these are done, so I'm going to pull them off. Okay, well there they are. It's a beautiful set of burgers. Thank you for watching our video. The burgers were amazing. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.